Crown Royale 3347. Here we go. Let's do this thing. Hopefully, y'all are well. This is a random team break. There are 30 teams in the NBA, 30 teams in this break, 30 spots. That's how it works. The team on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person spot 30 after we randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. Let's do this thing. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Timberwolves on top, Cavaliers on bottom. That's how the list looks to me. I'll let y'all have a look at it right there. 5 times. Let's get rid of it. Big plans for the weekend? Oh, unfortunately. Alrighty, here we go. Jimmy Butler, D'Angelo Russell, Carmelo Anthony, Pascal Siakam. Jersey, nice. Here's to the throne of Anthony Edwards. Hey, B Griff, TC, TDK, how you doing? Hey, jeez. Here he is again. Derek Coleman to 75. Western Sydney's finest, that's me. Bronze, Chris Paul, and nice, Anthony Davis to 99. So that's pretty nice, and that's even nicer. Oh, jeez. All I've eaten today is popcorn and mint slices. Oh, Redemption. Historically better than not. Bam Adebayo, Bradley Beal, Miles Turner, Tyler Hero. Jersey of Jarrett Culver, Knights of the Round Table. And here's a redemption, which I'm leaving till last. Have a good one, Bailey. Chat soon. Andre Drummond, bronze. And nice! LeBron, Snow Globe to 75. Here we go. Redemption. Oh. Malachi Flynn. For the... Actually, no. That list is just the people who subscribe to Wiki. Rookie Silhouettes, Malachi Flynn. There are a bunch of open breaks on tonight. Check out this link. Oh, I don't even have it. Because got onto them and was like, hey, why is this happening? And now they need permission from Grayson to look at shit. Like, come off it, idiots. Oh, what? Here we go. Final box. Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. Oh, there's another one. Great. Julius Randle. LeBron base. Nice. Cole Anthony rookie and Andre Drummond. First rookie base we've seen. A jersey of Precious heirs to the throne for the Heat. Again, leave the redemption to last. Bronze Devin Booker. And a bronze. Nice. James Wiseman. Here we go. This is going to want to be good. Rookie Silhouette. Card 110. Jamius Ramsey for the Kangs. Probably not as good. And that is that for Crown Royale 3347. Let's